In this video, I'll show you how to make a gradient background in Adobe Photoshop. It's very simple, so let's get started. First, open Photoshop and either create a new document or open an existing one. Once your document is ready, go over to the toolbar on the left-hand side and select the Gradient tool. If you don't see it, just right-click on the Paint Bucket tool and choose Gradient tool from there. Now, look at the top of your screen and click on the Gradient Preview bar. This will open the gradient editor, where you can choose from preset gradients or create your own. Select any gradient you like and click OK. Now, click and drag your mouse across the canvas to apply the gradient. The direction and length of your drag will change how the gradient looks, so feel free to experiment until you get the result you want. If you want to change the gradient later, simply click on the Gradient Preview bar again and choose a different style. For more control, you can also use a gradient adjustment layer. To do this, go to the Layers panel, click on the new adjustment layer icon, and select Gradient. From here, you can fully customize your gradient, adjust colors, angles, and styles without affecting your original layer. And that's it, you've successfully created a gradient background in Photoshop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.